pouch. So all we have to do is heat up the foil pouch. Sometimes it's dehydrated, and we have to use a water fountain to put water in it, and then we can mix it up. And the drink bags are just empty drink bags that might have some dehydrated soup or beverage in it. So we have a special water fountain to put fluid into that. The typical meal on the ISS is just about everything you can imagine. The only thing we cannot have are fresh vegetables, fresh fruit, or anything fresh, really. But the other day, I even had some ice cream, because we do have a freezer on board.
Oscar Novembre, Unité, Kilo, Zulu, Delta.
This is Oscar Romeo for Indio Sierra, over. Thank you, bonjour.
This is Papa Delta 3 Radio. Papa Delta 3 Radio, do you copy over?